I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a compatible ecosystem and verifying router settings. This saves hours later. Install one smart bulb in a reachable fixture and keep power on. Launch the manufacturer app and create your account. Once done, update the Hub and Phone app to the latest firmware. Make sure your router SSID and password are handy. This first hardware and account setup gets devices visible to your network, so pairing works smoothly in the next steps. You now pair devices. Reset bulbs to pairing mode and add each from the app, naming by room as you go. Make groups for living areas to control multiple lights at once, then build a wake, away, and evening scene. These reduce taps and save energy. Once grouped, configure automations tied to time, sunset, or motion sensors. Test transitions and brightness levels so they feel natural. Check firmware for all devices and enable local control where possible for faster response. You finish by polishing scenes, staggering brightness changes, and adding conditional rules like presence or open/close sensors for reliability. Secure the system. Use a unique SSID, strong password, and a guest network for EOT, and enable two-factor on accounts if available. Finally, note device names and export or screenshot automation lists for recovery. If a bulb won't respond, toggle power, remove and re-add it, check firmware, and move the hub nearer. This single troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.